Hello guys, welcome back to the Dutchcast channel. Today it's a bit of a random content day. I needed some car cleaning products to clean up my car, like a plastic restore so that the plastic parts will be shiny again, and some interior cleaning, some exterior cleaning, glass cleaner, because like, see this? It's just dirty, I can't take it off. I found a store near me, HMKT, and they have car cleaning products. And they also sell miniature cars, so we will be looking into that. So let's find out what they have in stock. I can already see the products that I needed. Are these ones from Stip Polish Point. It's a very good car cleaning company in the Netherlands, and they have really good products. So make sure to check them out, and also check HMKT out. And they have everything. If you live near Eindhoven, make sure to come here. They also have Warhammer, so be sure to check this out. Let's go inside, and I hope I can film inside, so I have to ask permission, but let's find out. Hoi, goedemiddag. Ja, ik kom voor de stipproducten.
Die staan hier in de vitrine en in dit kastje.
Oh, top. Vind je het erg als ik opneem? Ik heb een YouTube kanaal, ik ben er voor een filmpje aan het maken.
Nee, ik ga het wel hier aan.
Oké, helemaal top.
Als ik eens mee moet helpen, dan
Helemaal top, dankjewel. So we can film inside the store. Here are the stip products. Oh, they have a lot in stock. Most stores that I see have only maybe 10 products in total. I think on buckets they already have more than 10. So it's very nice. You can find everything you want here. This one is really good, the interior mat cleaner. It's really good for the interior. The wax shampoo is also very good. And they have more products over here. Let's see. Oh, the washing glove. That's it's really soft. It's really good for washing your car if you want to clean it and not leave any stripes behind. It's really good. Also the dry towel is also very good for drying up your car. But what I need is, let's see, the perfect shampoo. This one is what I need. This works really well for washing your car and making it shiny again. I need this one. And I also need something for my glass. Let's see. This one, yes. And I'll have to ask if they have maybe something for the interior. Because I see that it's showcased over here, so I don't want to open it or break something. So I'll ask that at the end. Let's see what type of miniature cars they have. Maybe they have the tiburon in the miniature. That would be great. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is what is amazing. Really nice car. Look at this. Oh, it's also shiny. Really nice car. Would love to have one of this in real life, but they are a bit too expensive. I really like this one. I think I'll be grabbing this one also with me, because I really like the color on this one. So this one will be coming home with me too. They have a lot of different miniatures, I see. So look at this. This is all miniatures. There, behind this, here, this also, all miniatures. These are all small ones, so I'm sure that they have big ones somewhere else. Maybe upstairs, because you can also walk above here. Maybe there upstairs is the big ones. Also have Warhammer merchandise, they also sell it. Like the games and all that stuff. Painting and modeling stuff, I see. Looks pretty decent. Decent. So if you want some Warhammer, make sure to check her out on their website. And as you can see, They can also order any item that you want from a Warhammer. So make sure to look into that. Oh, here are some expensive ones. I have to be. Oh, that's a cool one. That's a cool car. I have to be a little bit quick because I think they're almost closing. I saw on their website that they close around 4 o'clock. So we will have to speed up a little bit. Oh, I like this one. This one's sick. Oh, this is one of the bigger ones. This is 1:18 scale. Oh, also limited edition. Very nice. Oh, look at the details. Looks like they've shrunken a real car into a miniature. This. Really nice. Also the Porsche. Jägermeister. Really nice. They are pretty rare to come by because the Jägermeister stickers are not always allowed on them. So this is very rare sighting. So make sure to check out their website. They have a lot of amazing models. Look at this. Damn. It's like a car paradise in here. A Maybach. Here's the code if you want to search them on the website. Oh, nice car. Oh, also everything's open. It's also very nice. I don't really know this one. I think it's a Lotus. Let's see. Yeah, it's a Lotus. Nice. Let's walk a little bit through. Oh, they also have motorcycles and digging machines. A little bit of everything. This looks like a car garage almost, but like a very big one. It's a nice old timer. Oh, look at that. Oh, here's the Hyundai. That's not my Hyundai. No, I don't think that they have the tiburon. Unfortunately. This one's full. You can always stop the video if you find a model, if you want to see a model. Or just look on their website. They have also pictures of all the models that you see here. And even on YouTube they have also some videos of these cars. So be sure to check it out. Oh, I saw an eye catcher. Oh, damn, look at this. Oh, look at this. Oh, this one looks pretty expensive, but it looks really good. Love to have one of those in real life, but they're also very expensive, so we will be staying away from this for now. But who knows, maybe in the future. Also nice F1 model. They really have everything. Oh, you have your little, even tinier one. Porsche. Very nice. Oh, there's 1:24. Excuse me. Oh, this one looks nice. Really nice. Oh, and look at the price. It's not even that expensive. This one will come with me too. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, this is also a nice car. Very nice cars. So we have trucks, as you can see. Oh, a lot of trucks. With the model scale stores don't have these much trucks. Oh, what is this? These ones are really big. Oh my. Oh, 2 are sold out already. From Scale Masters. Really well detailed. Mercedes more. Oh no, Opel. I thought it was a Mercedes. Oh no, it is a Mercedes. I know my cars. I know my cars. Alpha. Not really a fan of that type of Alpha, but looks decent. So I'll be checking out now. And if you want to see more content like this, just let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you know, so that you can keep up with the updates about my car. I'll be releasing a video about updates on my car shortly, so be sure to check that out. And don't forget to check also them out and show them some appreciation for them to let me film in here. So just go on the social medias, leave a like, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye bye.